Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AHA customer feedback project step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the AHA website. Log into your AHA account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the menu on the left side of the dashboard. Click on Projects to view a list of all your customer feedback projects. Identify the project you wish to uninstall from your list. Select the project by clicking on its name to open the project details. Within the project details, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to access the project settings menu. Scroll down to find the option labeled Delete Project. Click on Delete Project to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation dialog will appear to confirm your choice. Read the warning message carefully, as this action will permanently remove the project. If you are certain, click on the Yes, Delete button to finalize the uninstallation. You will receive a notification confirming that the project has been successfully uninstalled. Return to your project list to ensure the project has been removed. If necessary, repeat these steps for any additional projects you wish to uninstall. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.